call it the end of an era of a dedicated service to justice dispensation for a renowned jurist, and you wouldn't be wrong. The burial ceremony of late Justice Theresea Orji, Abuja, who died in active service to her fatherland at the age of 64, attracted the Imo State Governor, represented by his deputy, President of the Court of Appeal, represented legal luminaries, friends, and well-wishers from across the country. They described the deceased, who died as the presiding judge of the Court of Appeal Benin Division, as a great woman who stood for justice, a voice of the voiceless, and the biblical Mother Teresa of her time. At a requiem mass held at the St. Paul's Catholic Church, Oziri Inishi, in the Keduru local government area of Imo State, Reverend Father Silvanus Onyejiwa admonished Christians to always bear in mind that death is the necessary end for everyone, and charged them to serve God in spirit and truth like the late judge. While commiserating with the bereaved family, Governor Uzodinma represented described the demise of the late justice as a colossal loss to the family, judiciary, Imo State, and the country at large.
And her commitment of upholding the law and serving her community be remembered.
Her remains were later committed to Mother Earth at her husband's compound after graveside rites. Some of her family members speak on her life and times.
My mother was perfect.
She was full of joy.
Word cannot express how deeply I miss my sister. She is my joy. She's everything I have in this world.
A sister, an ally, a fighter, and most of all, somebody who values advocacy, giving mercy through advocacy.
A day of tribute had earlier been held in Owerri in honor of late Justice Theresea Orji Abuja, where members of the bench and the bar paid glowing tribute to their departed colleague. The day also marked the presentation of a 308-page book titled The Law, Equity and Justice Amazon, written by the former Attorney General of Imo State, Chukwuma Machukwume, in honor of the late judge.
And what is the sense of the book presentation? It is to ensure that while the body, the remains of the body of Justice Theresea Orji Abuja is laid to rest, her voice will continue to speak.
When we live for the society and for rule of law, we will live beyond our biological body. And that's what we have done with the book.
Madam Justice Abuja was a paragon of incorruptible judge.
As part of activities which preceded the burial, a special court session was held by the Anambra State Judiciary in honor of the late jurist